Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. After breaking out this long-term channel, now the price line of Shiba is stuck at a key resistance and also broke down the support of the triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to move more down from here or we are going to break out the next resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And I was telling you in my previous video that the price line of Shiba has broken out very long-term channel. It entered the channel here on 27th of October and broke out the resistance here on 6th of Feb. And during this move to the downside inside the channel, the price line has been finding different resistance levels and breaking them out. Like here it found a resistance, and before that here it found another resistance, and after breaking out this resistance we had another short pump, and here the price line of SHIB again found another resistance. But during all these breakouts, the price line has been rejected by this big resistance of the down channel. But after breaking out this resistance, the price line did not stop and broke out the resistance of this bigger down channel. And right now we are stuck at the next key resistance of $0.000033. And I told you that when we had the previous rally, then we were rejected after this big move in the month at the start of October. We were rejected by this $0.000033 here, and we had some accumulation. Finally we broke it out, but after breaking out, when we had this drop, this level has been working as a nice support and resistance as well, like here resistance and here as a support and here as a support as well. Therefore this can be a key resistance for the big move. Right now you can see that the price line has tagged at this resistance, and our previous support will be at 25, and this is our key support at 20, because after this rally when we were rejected, we found a support here at $0.000020 and started the next rally. This was our key support, and you can see after this very strong bearish trend and drastic drop, we found a support, a firm support here at $0.000020, and after some accumulation above this support, we broke out the next resistance of the channel and also this resistance of $0.000025 as well. Now, for example, if the price line will be dropped, then it can test the previous support of $0.000025, or it may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Now, if we place an oscillator here, I have just placed this RSI oscillator here on the daily time frame, then we can see that RSI is forming higher highs and higher lows as well, and the price line is also forming higher lows and higher highs as well, and even this high is higher than the previous high, and you can see that RSI is also forming higher highs and higher lows. So there is not any bearish divergence or hidden bearish divergence on the chart. Therefore it is possible that we will have a continuation of this move and the price line will move to the upside. But if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, then here we formed a symmetrical triangle, and we were testing the support more than the resistance. You can see it is really very obvious here, and the price line was giving a signal that it can break down the support, and in fact it has broken down the support and now retesting the previous support as a resistance. Now if it will be not able to move up from here, because now this resistance, this support can work as a resistance, then it can be the confirmation for the breakdown, and after this confirmation it can move more down. Now for example, if it will be moved more down from here, then we can expect a move to the downside at $0.000025. that is our next support. If I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then you can see it is giving us an indication exactly here it can move more down up to this support. And if it will move up and break out the resistance of this triangle, then our next target can be approximately at $0.000437. And if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then we can see that our next resistance is at 40, and it is giving the projection slightly above that, the next resistance. Therefore, after breaking out this triangle, it will be a high probability for the breakout of the next price level resistance as well. So right now, the time is very important. We have in fact broken down the triangle and now retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. If it will be failed to recover back and move above the resistance, then we can have a move to the downside and test the previous support of 0.000025. Otherwise, we can move up to break out the next resistance of 0.000040. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.